Shalom,
family!
God bless you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in for today's video. And
today we got a very, very exciting property to see, as you can see behind us.
Yeah, you guys are going to be in for a treat, guys. We are in Malaoff, Texas, outside of Dallas-Fort Worth. Beautiful area, waterfront property. This is a modern contemporary estate that is going to knock your socks off.
It's the lake house of your dreams.
It is.
Okay?
I'm telling you. I was telling my wife, I think the owners are going to question why we're here so long, because we're just...
We might overstand our stay.
Just a little bit, but guys, we're excited. The backyard is to die for, so please stay tuned, guys. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, my family. Join the YouTube familia. Without further ado, let's get right into today's property tour. Alrighty, guys, we are here.
Here we go.
Sweetie.
Hello.
Welcome back to the channel, though the family hasn't seen you in a while.
I know. I feel like a guest here in your show.
Yes. Well, no, you are not a guest. You're permanent.
I am
now
permanent
co-host,
now, okay?
And so the family is excited to see you back again at the property tours. And I mean, sweetie,
guys,
this
property is so beautiful. I mean, I don't know if you can see already, but through those beautiful glass windows, there is a surprise.
There's a surprise at the end, guys. You have to wait till that. But as you can see here, it got a beautiful modern transitional exterior. You have this nice, gorgeous pavers leading up to your beautiful pivot door, floor to ceiling windows. And then you do have kind of like a stone mixed with a white brick exterior. Beautiful elevation.
It's stunning. It's absolutely beautiful. No, the owner, he did such a good job selecting everything. I mean,
all the designs, all the features, just an absolutely amazing job, guys. So here we're going through this beautiful pivot door, floor to ceiling, as you could see here. And then as you walk in, gorgeous open concept. Look at this
living room.
Whoo, man, oh man, sweetie.
This is my dream. Like,
this is it?
This living room is so beautiful. I love that he added a lot of porcelain to it. If you guys know, maybe you don't know, but now you're gonna know that porcelain and I are
just best friends.
We're best friends.
And look at this kitchen, sweetie. Oh my gosh, I love the two-tone cabinetry here. Beautiful custom cabinetry all throughout. Gorgeous. I mean,
it's very modern, organic. I love it.
Yes, very modern, very organic. You do have top-of-the-line Wolf appliances as well. Look at this beautiful view right here. Oh my goodness.
Guys, I already stressed this, but the backyard, oh my goodness.
I can't wait till you see it. I know the sun is down, guys, but I mean, it's still going to just leave you speechless. And then here you have kind of like a little butler's pantry here tucked away.
Or a dirty kitchen, some people
Or a dirty
call
kitchen,
it,
yes. And you have a kind of like little embedded coffee maker there. And then tucked away back here, you are going to have kind of like a little office ensuite here with a sliding pocket door. Okay, sorry about that, guys. We had to cut it off. The owners
they came home early,
so we were like, "Oh snap!"
But they were so sweet.
They're so sweet. They're giving us time
to
check out their beautiful property, guys. So as you can see here, we already saw the beautiful open concept living room here. But we actually, what we want to do is take you guys to the primary suite. Tucked away on the right wing of the house.
Which is just a stunner.
Look at this view right here.
Look
beautiful. Sweetie.
No, this is beautiful.
And I love the location. I love the fact that it's in a beautiful waterfront property.
It's so private.
Very private. Very, very private. It's a gate-guarded community, guys. Very exclusive, very tucked away. And there's lots of gorgeous mature trees around the area.
Look at this moon. This light, isn't that so pretty?
It is.
I could put that in a nursery.
That would be so beautiful.
Aww.
And this is the primary ensuite. Beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows with the matte black trims. And then you have
the view towards the water.
Look at that view. Sweetie, imagine waking up and looking at this beautiful view right here.
Going to sleep, waking up.
Oh my gosh, when the sun comes up. And I love this fireplace, porcelain leading all the way up to the ceiling there. And then you have kind of like a little wood paneling there as well.
They really mixed in the porcelain and the wood all throughout this house, which really elevates it.
And this primary suite, oh, wow. Floating double vanities, porcelain tile all throughout. Sweetie, is this not it?
This is a dream bathroom. I don't even like to take baths that much. But in this one, I'll make it work.
You'll make it work?
I'll make it work.
And look at that gorgeous soaking tub. Beautiful stand-up shower. kind of like enclosed seamless glass, and then you have kind of like a little seating area tucked away back there. And then you are going to have the water closet here with a pocket door, and you have a nice walk-in closet as well.
Yeah, they have their
with
washer and dryer.
washer and
here.
dryer tucked away here. Alrighty. Wow. I love this double vanity.
This is so beautiful, guys.
So
I can't, like, we've seen a lot of homes.
And this one is honestly on top of the list, guys.
It is.
It really is. And I think the reason being is because it's just so private and it's just tucked away from all the noise, you know?
Well, I mean, yes, that. But for me, I just love all the features that he added to this.
The features, the color selections, the warms and the moderns. And wait till we get to the backyard. Like I said, guys, oh my gosh, this feels like a little hotel.
It does.
This feels like the Palm Beach or like some what hotel did we stay at? The JW Marriott.
It reminds me of the hotel we stayed in Houston, actually.
Which one? Oh yes,
I forgot the name.
I forgot that name, but it was a really beautiful hotel. But this feels like you're in a resort. You're kind of like on a vacation. And
would you Airbnb this house? Like, if you saw it on the market, would you like?
Oh yeah, I would invite all my familia. We would, all of our family. We would Airbnb
really?
this.
I would want it to just be us.
You really?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, no, actually, that would be perfect for like a date weekend. Oh my gosh, look at this. Here we go, guys.
Oh my goodness.
We cannot look at that.
Now,
beautiful sundown. And then you got a full kitchenette tucked away there.
You have a pizza oven. You can't miss that.
Oh my gosh. And look at this beautiful pool back here. This is a waterfront property, as you can see here. Neighbors got their boats. Got the nice, gorgeous fireplace here. It's perfect for a campfire. Got the
you have a lot of different like seating areas that you can spend time.
Porte-cochere there.
Yeah.
I wish it was a little bit lighter, guys. We apologize, but yeah, guys, it is breathtaking during the daytime. I
think it's breathtaking during the nighttime too.
Yeah, it's just, this property is absolutely stunning, guys. Very peaceful, very beautiful home. Alrighty, and then tucked over here, this is kind of like a little seating area with the sliders. And this will have look at that fireplace, sweetie.
I'm telling you.
Quartzite, beautiful fireplace, electric, modern, and then you got the coffered ceilings here.
Even their light fixtures. One thing that I love about homes that we've seen, I love when they put different light fixtures. I don't know why. I don't like matchy things. And this house is not giving that at all. Not at all.
Now this is also going to be a 3-car J-swing, so just a heads up, guys, which you guys saw in the beginning. So we kind of tackled on all of the downstairs. Now through these doors, you will have that 3-car garage. Here we have a full kind of little half bathroom. I mean, look at the design, sweetie.
No, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Wow. And then tucked over here, we are going to have the laundry room with the double stack oven, pocket door. And then here we have another ensuite, which honestly, I didn't even expect.
I didn't even come here.
Wow, look at that.
So if you guys have a big family or plan to host a lot, this would be the house for sure.
Oh my gosh, look at this bathroom.
You see how different they've done in every bathroom?
In every bathroom, it's so unique, it's so beautiful, and I love the porcelain all throughout the walls here.
Even on the ceiling.
Wow, beautiful. Perfect for the abuela, and then you even have kind of like a little door here leading out to your 3-car garage, which is going to be tucked away right over there, guys. So that's going to be a 3-car. Alrighty. Now let's head on upstairs. I don't think you've actually been upstairs, sweetie.
I have yet to be.
So let's see that. So we have the floating staircase and got the glass railing here tucked away.
Look at the wall, though. Look at this texture.
Wow. This is kind of like I believe this is like a stone texture there. Floating staircase. And then once again, you have the white, beautiful porcelain all the way up to the ceilings there. Wow. We're definitely getting our cardio on, sweetie.
Oh, yeah. No, give me a second.
I know, right?
Breath, guys.
We got a little baby Shalom.
Are you kidding me? I haven't been up here.
Wow. Look at this beautiful light fixtures, and got a kind of like a little game room here. Wood panels, coffered ceilings.
This is kind of like the meeting room, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because I see You know, little actors on there.
Look at that. It is. This is kind of like a game room, media room, and then here you do have an additional game room to the side. Look at that, sweetie.
Oh,
When are
look
you
at
ready? You ready to move in?
bunk beds.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh. I would have loved to stay in a house like this as a kid.
Oh, this would be so awesome as a kid growing up.
Can you imagine all the cousins?
This is the grandma and grandpa house you want to come to at all vacation, man. And you got a beautiful full ensuite, double vanity, stand-up shower.
Wow.
Look at that, guys.
It has two showers.
2 showers. Look at that.
No, this could be perfect. I'm taking this idea for one of our homes.
One of our homes. I mean, this is such a smart idea. I love I don't know, it just feels like the perfect vacation home.
It really is.
And
we want to be here all year long, though.
It wouldn't even be vacation; it'd be permanent home for us.
For sure.
Be like, yeah, we live in our vacation home. Oh my gosh! And then tucked away back here, we have an additional bedroom, ensuite.
Goodness.
I love all the wood panels, as you can see there.
I love it, all the wood that they added.
And then last but not least, we have another additional bedroom overlooking the backyard there. I mean, once again, such a spectacular view, guys. Wow.
Its own bathroom as well.
And then right over here, you are going to have a full ensuite.
I'm taking this property tour with you guys, by the way, because I haven't been up here. So
I know, sweetie, we're getting her actual reaction.
Looking around, like, what
Look
can
at this.
we do?
Oh my gosh. I love it. Wow.
This is so stunning.
Well, there you have it, my friends. Let us know what you guys think. Once again, we apologize. The owners, once again, they're just a sweet family, guys. This house is up for sale, so we are going to leave all the information in the description. I want to give a huge thank you to the agents for letting us check out their property. But as always, guys, be sure to stay tuned because we got some good news to share with you. So stay tuned, and we will see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, family, thank you guys for watching the video.
I know, this is so unusual.
I know, but we really want to show you guys just be more personal in these videos, guys. And obviously, I want to start really bringing in my wife and our little baby girl.
Yeah, so she can tag along. She can start tagging along.
Yeah, our little baby. She's, we're about 3 months out till.
Yeah, we have 3 months left. It's crazy.
So keep us in your prayers, guys. We really appreciate and love every one of you guys for tuning into our property tours. And for the people that are reaching out to help them build their dream home, we would love the opportunity. God bless you guys. As always, John 3:16. For God so loved the world, he sent his only begotten son, and all those that believe in him will not perish but have everlasting life. My friends, these homes are breathtaking, they're beautiful, but it does not compare to the eternal home that the Lord Jesus Christ has reserved for you, for me, and for all of us.
All kinds of stone, all kinds of porcelain.
Oh, yeah, I can't even fathom what the good Lord has in store for those that put their faith and trust in the Lord Jesus Christ. So God bless you, my friends. Thank you guys for watching today's video. We'll see you guys in the next property tour, and thank you once again.